How to quickly detect an intrusion or a water leakage problem. How to protect a specially valuable object. And finally, what are the costs involved and how many different devices will be needed? Especially if you often change the interior arrangement, or on the contrary, you have no time or funds for renovation. The solution is simpler than you might expect. And in addition, subtle and stylish. The AXD-200 is a compact universal detector operating as part of the AXD-200 wireless system. The device can operate in one of 7 available modes as a magnetic contact, 2-channel magnetic contact with roller shutter input, shock and magnetic contact detector, reorientation detector, temperature detector and water flood detector. The required operating mode is to be set by knocking appropriately on the enclosure before enrolling the device into the controller. By default, the AXD-200 is a magnetic contact that detects the opening of a door or window. It is also available in 2 other variants. It can operate as a 2-channel magnetic contact, protecting, for example, 2 independent window sashes. As a magnetic detector with roller shutter input, detecting unauthorized lifting of the roller shutter. In addition to detecting the opening of various types of passages, the universal detector can react to shocks or vibrations accompanying any attempt to force, for example, a door. An equally interesting and practical solution is the detection of changes in the detector orientation in space, which will help protect valuable items against theft. The AXD-200 will also perform well as a thermometer, signaling that the set temperature thresholds in the range from -10 to +55 degrees Celsius have been exceeded. When working as a water flood detector, after a probe is connected to it, it will detect the accumulation of water in a given place. Thus, it will enable you and the system to quickly respond to the signaled event and minimize its consequences. AXD-200 is part of the AXD-200 wireless system, in which communication between devices is encrypted using AES. This secures the system against possible eavesdropping and interference from the outside. The detector can operate in the Eco mode, which will greatly extend the battery life whose status is being monitored in real time. The device comes with protection against opening of the enclosure and removal from the mount. AXD-200 is a small-size, stylish universal wireless detector working as part of the AXD-200 system.